Hey guys, this is to show you how to use your Classroom app effectively. So, in the Classroom app, once you have installed the Classroom app in your phone using the code given and you enroll in our class, you can see three options: stream, classwork, and people. So, under the stream, you can see all the study materials or any comments or messages whichever I upload, it will be there like the message. So you can click a particular message, and once you click, you will see the attachment in the form of PDF or any other files, whichever. In case of a video, it will show a video link like this. Once you click it, it will open. So the stream is for the daily update. Every day, morning session it is scheduled at 7 a.m. in the morning, and evening session it is scheduled at 7 p.m. in the evening. So what you have to do is, if you are free during that time itself, you can finish off by studying the notes given. And for example, you can see the notes provided here. Once you study the notes, then you can go to the daily dosage. So you will have your regular MCQ book like a dental pulse. So once you study the notes, you can go through the dental pulse question, and make sure that you go through the daily dosage questions also, because daily dosage questions, it is a compilation of very important questions from the pulse and any other MCQ textbooks like the NBD first aid books. So go through those important daily dosage MCQ questions which are given in that particular topic. So this is for your everyday daily classes. So after that, in case if you want to view topic wise, you can go to the classwork. Now for demo, you will not have all these topics, but once we start uploading all the topics, you will see all these subjects as topics. Any study material you want, you can go to the classwork and you can click the particular subject, and you will see all the topics under the particular topic. So any chapter, if it belongs to oral anatomy, you will see it under oral anatomy. You can also see it in the stream, and you will also be viewing it in the classroom. So in the classwork, you will see everything which is uploaded on a daily basis. It will be stored here. You can open it and you can also save the PDF. So this is for your reference purpose whenever you are doing revision. This is for your daily task. Apart from that, any other messages relating to MCQ discussion, or when we conduct a Zoom webinar, the webinar links will be posted here as well as our WhatsApp group.